Finding the courage to change, how to appreciate myself. I had a habit of looking outside of myself for approval. I needed others to praise me and approve of me to feel good. I felt resentful when my delicious cooking was not considered edible. I was discouraged when my work efforts were not appreciated. Of course, we all need an occasional pat on the back. But do I need to receive a trophy in order to feel good about myself? Is the food less tasty to me if others don't like it? In that moment, I've given my power to the other person. I don't have to take it personally. They've got their own stuff going on. It's not their job to make me feel good. In fact, I'm the only person who can make me feel good. That's my power, not theirs. How do I take my power back? How do I appreciate myself? I use a simple daily task list. I create a list of 5 or 6 small tasks, things that can be done quickly in 30 minutes or less. I set the bar really low. Not clean the house, but clean the master bathtub. I set myself up for success by keeping it simple. Then I celebrate when I finish a task. As I mark that off the list, I tell myself how awesome I am. I tell myself that I did great work. I stop for a cup of tea or a short break. I pay attention to my accomplishments and I praise and reward myself. At the end of the day, I sometimes dance around the kitchen and tell the family exactly how awesome my day was. We usually share a great laugh about my crazy self-approval habit, but we all feel good knowing that I did my best and that I had a great day. It helps the whole family when I'm uplifting myself.